What's up everyone? With the new Dark Elf class now in Rohan 2, a lot of players are asking the same question. Should I play Warlock or Wizard? Both look strong but they play very differently. In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of each so you can decide which one fits your playstyle. So let's get into it. The Dark Elf class brings two archetypes, the Warlock and Wizard. While they both use magic, they have very different strength. One leans toward burst damage and control, while the other focuses on consistent damage and utility. Today, I will compare them in terms of damage, PvP, PvE, and ease of use, so you can pick the one that suits you best. So let's start with the Warlock. The Warlock is more of a burst damage and control type class. It excels at dealing high damage in short windows and has good crowd control skills. This makes it strong in PvP, especially in 1v1 or small scale fights, where it can quickly pressure or lock down opponents. In PvE, the Warlock is decent at clearing mobs and can perform well in boss fights if played correctly. However, it usually requires more precise skill timing compared to other classes. One advantage of the Warlock is its self-sustain and ability to fight longer without needing as much support. It also has decent mobility tools which helps in both PvP and when moving between farming spots. If you like playing aggressively and don't mind managing cooldowns and positioning, the Warlock can be very rewarding. Now, let's look at the Wizard, which plays quite differently. The Wizard focuses more on consistent damage and area control. It has strong AoE, area of effect skills, making it very effective at clearing large groups of monsters. This makes the Wizard excellent for farming and PvE content where you need to deal with many enemies at once. In PvP, the Wizard can be strong in group fights or when playing from range, but it can feel more vulnerable in direct 1v1 situations compared to the Warlock. It relies more on positioning and kiting rather than direct confrontation. The Wizard is generally considered easier to play for beginners because its skill rotation is more straightforward. It also brings good utilities for parties which can make it more valuable in group content. If you prefer farming efficiently, playing from a distance, and having simpler gameplay, the Wizard might be better choice for you. So, which one should you pick? Here's a quick summary. Choose Warlock if you like aggressive play, burst damage, and PvP. Choose Wizard if you want easier farming, strong AoE, and simpler gameplay. Both are strong in their own ways. It really depends on whether you enjoy burst and control or consistent damage and farming. A lot of players are currently going for Wizards for its farming efficiency, while others prefer Warlock for its PvP potential. Try both if you can, since the game allows class changes or multiple characters. That's the comparison between the Dark Elf class advancement of Warlock and Wizard in Rohan 2. If you're still unsure which one to play, feel free to drop your questions in the comment. If this video helped you decide, drop a like and subscribe for more Rohan 2 content, especially during this Dark Elf campaign. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.